Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you a video on a Hyundai Elantra. This is from 2017 to 2016 to 2018. And I'm going to show you how to change your turn signal. It's going to do the same thing for the right side, for the left side also. So let's get to it, okay? So this not only going to be for your turn signal, it's going to also be for your third brake light. So right here, there's the cap right here, as you can see, right there. You want to twist it counterclockwise and pull back out on it, and it will reveal this bulb right here. Okay. You want to push down on the bulb also and twist and turn the bulb and to take it out. So let me get the camera right here. So you want to push in. You see the bulb go in and out. So you want to push in like this, counterclockwise, and pull out. This is what your bulb should look like. So I got the new bulb right here, and it's 2357. This is the bulb size, our number. So you can go ahead and put this back in. If you put it in the wrong way, it won't turn. So you just turn it around, and that's it. Time to put it back in there. Alright, and let's check it to make sure it functions. I'm going to go ahead and turn the light on to make sure the park light is on, and it's not. So let's see. Alright guys, so let's get the four-way flash on and see what happens. If we good. Four-way flash on. Alright, so everything is good now. So now it's time to go to the back and do the third brake light, which I said I was going to do. So there goes nothing. Come around here. Get in here for the third brake light. Counterclockwise. Pull this down. Same thing. Push in counterclockwise. Pull out. Okay. So I'm gonna get my other bulb. As you can see, this one is no good because I already have a little burn on it too. So this one you wanna put in clockwise. If you don't turn when you put it in, so if you don't, alright. So let me turn this around. Just make it should go in anyway. So line up those grooves with the tabs on there. Alright, so put this in right here. Find the hole and tighten it up. Alright, and that's it. Alright, so next thing, I'm gonna press the brake and make sure. What's up, bro? No, I haven't seen it. And press the brake right here. Alright, so when you put the light in, because I fixed the one that's blown, the light gonna turn off. So put this on the brakes right here, and let me show you what light I'm talking about. It doesn't come up when you turn the car on, but I'm gonna disconnect it and show you what light I'm talking about. Alright, so let's go and show you right here. Third brake light is good. That wasn't working before, and I'm gonna disconnect the third brake light just to show you what light I'm talking about. Okay, so let's go back there, unlock that. Come in right here. Oh, I can unplug it from right here. Alright, that's not it. That's it. Okay, seems to get it. So let's come right here. Turn off the forward flash. Crank the car up, and that's the light right here. This, anytime you're seeing this light right here, that means you have a blown bulb. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect the light. So you might want, it doesn't tell you which exact light. It could be any one of the tail light, could be a headlamp or a turn signal in the front. It doesn't say which light, so you have to go ahead, walk around your car, check all the lights on your car, make sure your car is good, and then you see the light on. So when I press the brake, it's gonna run a check through the circuit, and then when everything come back good, that light will go away. All right, thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.